Hey guys, I have my first kit ready for December, and as most of you know, I have a shop on Etsy called Cat's Creative Kits. I have it empty because I just have a hard time charging the prices I have to charge on there to cover the fees and taxes and all. So I'm going to try to sell the kits through here. This month is a botanical floral theme, and each kit will come with a yard of ribbon for your tags, a washi tape, and everything in here, I have to admit, is brand new because I had so much stuff packed back for the consignment journals I make that I could actually make up 10 kits this month out of this stuff. So I opened it and was looking at it, and I said, why not? When it's not new, I will tell you in the video what is not new and where I purchased it from. You're getting 5 of these small collage sheets that can be put on tags as well. Maybe 6, I don't know. Anyway, I thought I counted out 5. The next pack, you're getting a half a yard of this floral ribbon that I purchased at a sale by Curly T. Then next there are 10 of these. I think these are the washi stickers. They are absolutely beautiful. They have gold in them, and they are the vellum stickers. This one has like lace behind it. And they're not all going to be identical, guys. It's going to be based on, you know, how I counted them out, but they're pretty much similar. They're all from the same pack, though, the 10 that you will get. And yeah, there will be some that will get those exact same ones because there are duplicates in the packs. This has gold writing back behind it. Sorry, I gotta bite the bag. And then you're getting a yard of the green leaf trim, and this is brand new. Just purchased it to go with this kit, actually, because I didn't have enough of it. You are getting 2 sheets of stickers, and they're going to be random stickers, just however I pick them out of the packs. The next is you're getting a sheet of music collage paper. Some will not be music. Some of them will be writing or something else to that effect, but it's all from the same pack. And a mini envelope. And then these stickers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the next thing I have is, let's see, it's 5 book pages, which would just be random book pages. Then you can make collages or stickers, and 3 of these coffee dyed vellum sheets that I purchased from the junk journal shop. Okay, now for the journal part. This is all your ephemera part. Here is the journal. I've given 2 pieces of heavy cardstock, not cardstock, I'm sorry, chipboard, to make your cover and your spine if you want to do it that way. And then you are getting 3 sections of the Edith Holden Nature Notes 1905. So it's going to be 3 sections that if you wanted to do a 3 signature journal, you could start each one with one of these. And 15 coffee dyed sheets of paper. This was not coffee dyed by anyone. It is a manufactured coffee dyed paper. So this is going to be my December kit. All of these Holden pages are all coming out of the 1905 book. However, they will be random. You can request a month when you ask about it, but if I've got it, fine. If not, then you would just get a random month in it. Some may not even say the month because it all depends on how I take them out. I am asking $40 shipped. This includes your postage. I think it's a good deal. I've been buying kits for a while. I think this is a pretty big kit that gives you absolutely everything you need to make a journal. And I think it's a fair price. Now, if I have to put it on Etsy, you know I have to put their fee on it, their taxes they charge me on it. So the price will have to go up, and I'm trying not to do that. So if you are interested in purchasing one of these kits, you can email me. Like I said, you can ask for a specific month. If I have it, you get it. If I don't, you will get a random one. However, all of the ephemera is basically the same, except for the collage paper is random, all came from the same one. Stickers is random, all came from the same pack. But I think I'm going to try to do this each month. If it goes well here, I'll continue to do it here. If it doesn't go well here, then I'll have no choice but to put them on Etsy and charge more. But I'm trying not to do that because I want everybody to have a chance to get the stuff to make these journals. And really, if you wanted to, you could make, with all of this stuff, it will make more than one journal. Definitely will make more than one journal. But, you know, it's up to you if you want to make a fatty patty. You can definitely do it with this kit. So, email me, let me know. It will be billed through PayPal. And, you know, there's no fees, no charges, no handling, no nothing. Just, you know, the flat $40. Okay, let me know. And I look forward to hearing from you. See you soon. By the way, next month, I think I have enough to do some butterflies. It may not be 10 of them, but there will be some. Okay, bye-bye.